Well, it's been a quiet night around here, but not so much to the north, I guess.
You can see it off on the horizon. That's where all the storms have been over those north central, northeastern counties, and that continues, but now pushing out of the viewing area through the Atchison area into western Missouri. That's where the bulk of the activity still is at this hour. Now, there are some showers in the viewing area. You see the one just to the west, northwest of Ozaukee to the east of the Mayetta area. That shower has been enhancing a little bit as it approaches Jefferson County, but by far it's the activity around Atchison. We've been tracking that as it steadily moves this particular cell eastward now. Came in from all the way back, developed back by Marysville, and throughout the evening it's been crossing over the northern counties. Still severe around Atchison. That warning goes for just a couple minutes longer, pushing over into Missouri with the worst of the weather. And that's where that large hail over eastern Atchison County has been at this time. And when you look out, you see all those flashes in the sky. That's the direction you're looking, right up there, right around Atchison at this time. Now, the front itself extends back farther to the south. There's one shower out ahead of it, moving close to Auburn. Right now, that'll continue to move east-northeast. Should come through at least the far southern reaches of Topeka as well. So isolated showers are out there right now, and we're currently at 82 degrees. Winds are out of the south at 10 miles per hour. Made it up to a high today of 90 degrees. We're back down to 82 in Topeka, but 72 at Marysville and 74 at Concordia. That cold front's moved in. Northern counties have dropped back a few degrees. Still pretty warm along and ahead of the front, and muggy as well, with south winds continuing over the southern half of the area, north winds up to the north. And that combined wind direction allowing for air to flow right together, and it's triggering a couple of those showers and storms. That'll be the case through the night as that front continues to sag southward, then starts to reverse directions overnight into tomorrow morning as the next half of this system starts coming our way. It'll initially make the front lift back to the north as a warm front, and then after it lifts northward, some of our southern counties could be in the 80s and 90s. Then that front will start to push through. Now, this model keeps the cooler air as far south as Topeka. I think we'll still warm up right around Topeka southward into the 80s for a while, but look at the northern counties. It'll drop back into the 60s late in the day, and that cooler air really starts to filter in with temperatures into the mid-50s for your morning temperature on Saturday, and struggling to get out of the 60s into the low 70s for the high temperature on Saturday. So a couple of cool days out ahead of us. We've been tracking these scattered storms that develop this evening and tonight. Those will push on through. Could see a few more morning showers or storms tomorrow. Then that lifts on through, and additional showers and thunderstorms later in the day, kind of in rounds of showers and storms. Where that front is, could see some strong to severe storms, and that's going to be more concentrated over the southeastern counties. A large area in that risk, but I think it's really going to end up being the southeastern counties that are most favored for some of these stronger to severe storms late in the day tomorrow. Looking ahead, though, we've got 87 scattered thunderstorms tomorrow, 71 on Saturday, 75 Sunday, and then warming up toward the middle of next week with some cool nights this weekend, down into the low 50s. Lots of photos to show you. This one from this morning from Kim Dick at Delia. This evening north of Blue Rapids from Angie Reed. Gorgeous view off in the distance from Americus, a long distance away from Rachel Mateel. Also from Laura Smatley Turner at Oskaloosa. Beautiful colors from Roger Hammerschmidt in Manhattan. And there's a look at some of these storm clouds right underneath them. I saw them from a distance, but that was from Jared Kelser at Corning. So obviously a different look. When you're farther away, it was just a beautiful sky. When you're underneath it, it was rough, and there was a lot of large hail reports coming in out of the northern counties.
I took a photo from the sunset here. It had that deep pink color with the sunset. It was beautiful, but again, those people nearby.
Yeah, different story there.
Exactly.
All right, thanks.